The HVAC industry is one of the most identifiable shoulder seasons when compared to other home service businesses. In most areas across the country, when things heat up, air conditioning units break, increasing the need for repairs and replacements. When things start to cool off, moving into the fall and winter months, AC units are used less intensely, so you don't have the need for repairs or replacements as strongly. Now, because of that, we see a pretty dramatic shift in the search volume for AC repair-related terms. And when it comes to paid search advertising, we see a fluctuation in lead costs as well. In looking historically at all of the HVAC campaigns that we run here at Scorpion, we historically see an increase from Q3 to Q4 in lead costs from traditional PPC campaigns by an average of 10%, along with a reduction in conversion rates. So what does this mean? Less people searching for the specific need of the services you provide, causing an increase in competition for the customers that do have that need. In many areas, we even see that search volume dip by 65 to 75%. So how should you respond? This is a great opportunity to shift those advertising dollars into other areas of top funnel marketing efforts, such as display advertising, email marketing, and social media advertising. Also, be sure you are placing a focus on tune-ups and increasing maintenance plan adoption. This way, you are constantly staying top of mind for your potential and current clients, so that when the heat scales back up again, you are the first person they think to call to help them out.